SuperMindz! Hey there, Super Explorers! Welcome to SuperMindz. We've got everything from cool learning stuff to fun games and quizzes. Let's go! Hey there, future scholars! We're about to explore the exciting and essential parts of our school. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Classroom, where students attend lessons and interact with teachers. Canteen or cafeteria, the area where students and staff can purchase and eat food. Toilet or restroom, facilities for personal hygiene and restroom needs. Library, a quiet space for reading, studying, and borrowing books. Administrative office, where administrative staff work, handle paperwork, and manage school affairs. Playground, outdoor space for recreational activities and physical play. Auditorium or assembly hall, a large space for school assemblies, performances, and events. Computer lab, a room equipped with computers for students to use for educational purposes. Science lab, a specialized room for conducting experiments and hands-on science activities. Art room, a dedicated space for artistic activities such as drawing and painting. Music room, a room equipped for music classes and practice. Principal's office, the office of the school's principal where administrative decisions are made. Staff room, a common area for teachers and staff to collaborate and take breaks. Nurse's office, a place where students can receive medical attention and first aid. Security post, the entrance and exit point where security personnel monitors access to the school. If you had fun today, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure.